Hey everybody, this is my first YouTube video. I hope you enjoy it. Today we're going to look at adding and subtracting decimals. As we said in class, there's really one key thing you have to focus on when adding and subtracting decimals, and that is to make sure the decimal point is lined up. So let's look at some problems. So we have 24 and 52 hundredths plus 113 and 56 hundredths. So some of you, by instinct, may look to put this number on top of this number when stacking the numbers to add. Always put them in the order that they're listed. So for example, I have 24 and 52 hundredths plus 113 and 56 hundredths. Again, it's super important that you line up the decimal point so you have an accurate answer. If you're not comfortable with the space being blank, you could always just put a 0 there. Anywhere you have blanks, you could put a 0 in the space just to fill it. Depends on what your preference is. So we know 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. Carry the 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. And again, always make sure that the decimal point is lined up for accuracy. So now let's take a look at a subtraction problem involving decimals. I have 61 and 93 hundredths minus 5 and 34 hundredths. Again, you want to make sure you're lining up the decimal point. Also, you want to put this number first because you're taking 5 and 34 hundredths away from 61 and 93 hundredths. Okay, so this problem we actually did in class. I find to be a little bit interesting because I have everything lined up, everything is ready to go. But the first part of the problem is 3 minus 4, which we can't do. So we must regroup the 9 to an 8, and 3 becomes 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 8 minus 3 is 5. Bring down the decimal point. 1 minus 5 we also can't do, so we must regroup the 6 to a 5, and 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 5 minus nothing, or 5 minus 0, is 5. So if we understand the concepts of addition and subtraction, as well as making sure everything is nice and neat lined up, so the decimal places are lined up, you're all set.